In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can draw and edit your drawings in Microsoft Excel. So first go to the Draw tab. Now, if you don't have this tab already, you can go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then click on the box to the right to add the Draw tab. Now that you have the Draw tab, you can go to Draw, and you're going to make sure that this Draw option is then selected. Note there are different options that you can use to draw objects or items in Excel, being a pen, highlighter, fountain pen, brush pen, or pencil. In this example, I'm just going to use a pen, and you can edit the pen itself by adjusting the thickness. So let's just say I wanted a thicker pen, for example. You can adjust the color, with some of the colors being quite interesting, like these different galaxy type options or more standard colors, for example. And you can click on more colors and add a color that fits your desires. We need to have this galaxy example, and let's just say I wanted to draw an arrow, just kind of as an example, or I wanted to have a circle around something. Now, one of the cool things about this is that once you're not in drawing mode, Excel will kind of treat these as objects, and you can even use ink to shape to kind of make these look more clean. So getting out of this, I'm going to click on the selection option, go back to the home tab, and as you can see, as I click on them, Excel is starting to view these as objects. Now you can click on this lightning bolt where it will try to kind of guess what the shape is supposed to be. So now I have a rainbow spear, for example. I click on lightning bolt, and it couldn't recognize this arrow. But as you can see, now they are objects where you can edit them in ways that you would normal objects. Like you can resize them, you can change the fill of them if you'd want to. Sorry, selected the wrong objects. Change the fill of them. You can change the outline. You can save as a picture, assign macros, bring to front, bring to back, so on and so forth. But you can really edit these like you would normal objects. Adjust the shape, adjust the size, and so on and so forth. You can even add different effects if you'd like to. And note, this works best if Excel is able to recognize the shape. As you can see, because Excel is able to recognize this as an oval, more of the options are available to me. Versus with this one, not as many options are available just because Excel really couldn't recognize the object super cleanly. But you can still change the size, the fill, and send it forward and backward, so on and so forth. But the key thing is that you can kind of draw different things, or you can even use a highlighter to put emphasis on different things that you might not have been able to think of beforehand, which can be super helpful too if you're like walking through different numbers and you want to put an emphasis on something versus the more standard way of just kind of highlighting like this, for example. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.